What's going on, guys? HM Crypto here, and I'm here to add value to you. So today we're going to go over our crypto.com interface. It's basically an overview of crypto.com and how to navigate it, especially if you're a beginner. Oh, if you're new to the page, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so every time I drop a video, you'll be the first to know. Oh, by the way, I am not a financial advisor. Any investment decision should be made off your own research and due diligence. Now, let's hop right into this video. All right, crypto family, let's just hop right into this, man. So we're going to be starting right now. We're at the homepage of crypto.com app. So here we are. See my total balance. What you'll see first is favorites, which will be the large cap cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, you name it. And you scroll down here, you see the NFTs. They also have NFTs on this platform. With NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens, like the Bored Yacht Apes and whatnot. If you don't know about that, make sure you do your due diligence. Check it out when you have some free time. It's it's pretty interesting to see how far NFTs have come. Okay, so let's scroll down. See our top gainers right here. We have Upstep app, a Gala right now. Well, at the time of this recording. So, and then you get your crypto news here. All right, so let's go to trade. This is where we would buy cryptos, buy and sell cryptos. So we click trade right here. Let's do Chronos because this is the coin of the app. So let's try here and see right here we can buy with our credit card. And they have crypto wallet, fiat wallet. So first let's check out the credit card. You can add your card, and once you do, you can purchase crypto directly from your bank account with this. So that's a good time. It's a good time, man. And then let's go to crypto wallet. So right here you see I have $5 USD. This was from the previous video when I sent my money from Coinbase to crypto.com. So here we are. We have our crypto. You could buy crypto with crypto. So that's another thing with crypto.com. Really, really fascinating app. Then we have our fiat. Let's go here. All right, our fiat wallet. So fiat, the US dollar, or whatever country you're from, the yen if you're Japanese, or the British pound, and whatnot. So you can buy directly from your bank with this and send to your bank. All right, let's go to accounts now. All right, see, just more of what we talked about. We have our crypto wallet. You can see the list of coins when you click on the wallet. So you see Chronos here and the USD. That's the coin I have right now. So let me click on that again. Oh, hold on. For those of you who don't know, you can this is for another video, but you can deposit and withdraw crypto just like in Coinbase, but it's a different process to it. So I'll get to that in detail for another video. So right now we're just gonna focus on this. And then you can pay, you can buy stuff with your crypto. See, look at that. See, gift cards. They have a lot of perks on this app. It's pretty cool when you get into it. So gift cards. So this is when you stake Crow, you get all these perks. Yeah, it's pretty nice. There are over 310 brands and 30 plus countries, 30,000 shops. Gift cards, you can give that to your friends or family. You get airtime. That's when you're staking Crow with the tiers. They have different tiers for how much Crows you stake. You can apply for different cards. I'll go to that in a second. So you could, top your phone or top for friends. So it's pretty cool. And then you scan the barcode, and then you can send crypto to other merchants or friends. See? And then you can access your contacts too. It's really cool. Yeah, crypto.com is legit, man. So okay, let's go to track right here. So what okay, let it load. Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're on our favorites again that we saw at the homepage, but this is in more depth. This is you can track what's going on with your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other the large cap gems or cryptos. That's what we call it. So here we go. See, I could check. Right now it says 579.33 billion. That's the market cap right now. And look, what's cool about this is when we tap on it, we can see the percentage. See, change the percentage, and then you can see the volume. So let's go into detail. So you get Bitcoin, you have the volume in 24 hours, ranked number 1, and then you can rate Bitcoin. How do you feel about Bitcoin? And then it gives a description, the website, the consensus method, token type, all the information about Bitcoin. So it's really detailed. So let's go back. And then you have your other coins as well. Tether, which is a peg. Well, it's pegged to the dollar. And unfortunately, you see Terra Luna. Little homework for you guys. What happened to Terra Luna to cause the price to crash like this? So, yeah, make sure you research in your spare time to get yourself more informed on these things. Okay, and now let's go back to the let's go to the cards now. Here we go. Here we go. So let me start from Ruby. No, not Ruby. Midnight Blue. So Midnight Blue is the first tier. You get 1% back in Crow. That's when you stake a certain amount of Crow. You could read into this to get more detailed out of it. But as the tiers go on, the more rewards you get. So let's see Ruby. See Ruby Steel after the midnight. 2% back. And look, 100% Spotify back. And get up to 10% back on the spending of the rewards above. And you see the brands affiliated with this. See, look at Jade and Jade Green, Royal Indigo, 3% back. Oh, look at that, Spotify and Netflix. You see how it's moving up slowly but surely? And then you have your Ruby. I mean, not your Ruby, your Icy White / Rose Gold. That's the colors. But you have 5% back now. And see, look, now you got Prime. And then Obsidian, man, look how chic this looks. You feel like a big shot when you get this, you know what I mean? So 8% back, and then you get 100% back in your Spotify, Netflix, and Prime, and then 12% Crow Reward stake. So speaking of staking, let's go back right now to accounts. No, let's go back to the home tab. Not the home tab, the crypto.com tab. So when you tap on it, it has all the from the previous ones we talked about. So let's go here. Look at this. Earn. Subtract tier wars. Okay. So I don't have anything staked right now, but you can choose to stake. And then let's say Chronos, because that's their coin. And then look at the payments. They have flexible, earn 2%, 1 month term, earn 4%, 3 month term, earn 6% per annum. And then let's just click this one. The longer you stake, the more you earn. I understand. Yeah. Continue. Well, Crypto.com issued a statement that they'll be lowering the rewards, but initially this was 12%. So yeah, this is pretty big. Still, 6% is not bad, especially compared to what the bank gives you. So yeah, that's a good thing. So let's go back. Let's go back. All right. Let's go back. Okay. So you can click on this tab, on the upper right hand corner. This tab right here. And then you could get assistance with your crypto.com. They have customer service and anything you need to help you with your, navigation. So they have articles and photos, getting started with NFT tax reports. You can just send them a message right here and then they'll get back to you. Okay, now let's go back to missions. So we'll click on the crypto.com tab and then we'll go all the way down and see the bonus missions. So every day they have missions. You can do daily quick quests and get two of these gems. When you get up to 25, you can get a mystery box, which you can get more Crow, or you can store them up for long term and get more merch. So here we go. See our daily. I've completed the mission already. So we go to exploration, and then you can do little tasks like these. These are they have each task has a difficulty. So there's lower, intermediate, and expert tasks. And the higher it is, the more gems you get. And then let's see, let's go to store. See the store, mystery box 25. And then you could get NFTs, which we talked about. So, non-fungible token. And you can also get merch. And let's go to the vault. The vault is where your rewards are stored as well. So if I get a mystery box, I could get Crow, or I can check my my diamonds, my diamond vault. See, 24 right there. And let's go back. Then now we have our rewards now. So click that link. Get up to $25 in Crow, USD in Crow, when you hit my link and join crypto.com. So that's a nice perk, you know what I mean? So hey, free money, that's always good. So then you can see the offers. Let's go back. And then now refer rewards. And we have our, let's go back home. We click the home tab. We also have our transfer. So we can deposit fiat directly from our bank account, and we can also withdraw too. But I'll show you guys that in another video, how to set up your bank account so you can withdraw crypto and your profits from here. So that's a good thing, because when you make money, you want to be able to take it out. And then now let's go back to settings. We go right here, and then you have refund currency. You have app customizations, passcode settings, anything else. Also the DeFi wallet, that's in a separate video, and all the fees and terms and conditions, and any little nuances left, it will be in the settings. So, that's the tour, guys. All right, crypto family, that concludes today's tour on crypto.com. So if you got value out this video, be sure to like and subscribe, comment below. Tell me what you think of the video. Did you enjoy the tour? Was it easy to understand? Let me know. So, also check the links below too. One for crypto.com, use my referral, get 25 USD in Crow. And also Coinbase, deposit $100, trade any crypto on their platform, you get $10 worth in Bitcoin. Money on your money. Yo, I love to say that. Come on now. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to continue to build your foundation, and I'll see you at the top.